Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus has a headphone jack. No, it does not. It's not at the top, nor on the side, nor on the other side. At the bottom you can also see that it's not there. There's only the USB-C port, which I have cable plugged in right now. But besides that, there's no jack port, so you can either plug in headphones to the USB-C port if you have either an adapter or headphones that just have USB-C with them, or instead you can just plug in the Bluetooth headphones. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.